All right, little windy.
Ready?
Yep.
I better do high rates on.
Need a windsock on that white flapping thing you got.
Yeah, I'll eventually have both.
What do you call that? What do you call that? Wind generator?
It's an analog wind heater. Wind speed indicator. Analog. Okay, here we go.
Ooh, look at those wing flips.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Those wing flexing.
It's a radiant wing.
So you just went to the store and got a radiant wing?
Yep. And a cub wing. That's it.
Oh man.
You know what I called that? The Flying Nun.
Yeah, that does look like that.
Although we could have flew it on Cinco de Mayo because it does sort of look like a sombrero a little bit too.
Yeah. A little tequila on there, some salt.
That's right. Yep.
Have you taken all those gyros off your airplanes?
Yeah.
So you don't even use them anymore?
No. My flying skills have improved.
I think you're far enough downwind there, Reg.
Yeah, he's way down there. That's almost like the shuttle coming in, man. It's like a little dot in the sky.
Nobody coming?
Nope. It sounds like it.
Hey Greg, you got a couple minutes to move your car. All right, here we go. Take 2 on the landing.
I can back it up some.
The wind does make for interesting. Oh, you got this. This is nothing, man. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on. That's too easy.
The wind, if I turn it.
Oh, beautiful. Eek, cut.